Yeah, this is crazy out here. This is Buffalo. It's a blizzard. Y'all in the house, stay in the house. This is crazy. I'm going home. Can't see nothing, y'all. This is the streets. Can't see no damn thing. Okay, well, I'm gonna be careful though. Does it look like a bus or something up there? Oh, it's a truck stuck. Why you stuck? Okay, you not stuck. Come on, you again, man. Red light. People can see the lights. This shit. Okay, I'm gonna cross this main street. So this is the dangerous part right here. Crossing this main street. So you can't see. Okay, now I got some damn truck behind me. Oh, I'm way the fuck over here. Okay. I cannot fucking see y'all.